Here's the Jackery 300 cord. This is your plug-in for your charging. Your display. It's there. Your light. DC. I don't have anything plugged into that, but that'd go there, so we're not using that. Here, you know, we're pulling 5 watts, but I could zero it out. We're charging at 81. Here, if I hit that, we're charging the iPad at about 8 watts. I'm sure the cord, if you had a lightning cord, it'd be a little higher than that, because I don't think that's a lightning cord. Turn that off. I can go to the plug-in. This will run 5 watts. This is no heat, but it'll do cool air at about 128 watts. So, little cool storage bag, stuff like that they give you. But I love the unit. Pair this with a little connector to go into here and plug it into another, you can link it to another battery and it works great. So no worries, they're small, easy, handheld, come in all sorts of handy for everything.